How to cook pasta step by step. 1 English, boil water, take a big pot. Put water in the pot. Put the pot on the stove. Turn on the stove. Wait. The water must be hot. When you see bubbles, the water is boiling. Add salt. Put a little salt in the water. Salt makes the pasta taste good. Put in the pasta, take the pasta spaghetti, macaroni, or penne. Put the pasta in the hot water. Cook the pasta. Stir the pasta with a spoon. Wait 8 to 12 minutes, look at the pasta bag for time. The pasta becomes soft. Taste the pasta, take 1 piece of pasta. Taste it. If it is soft and not hard, the pasta is ready. Drain the pasta, turn off the stove. Use a strainer to take out the water. Be careful, the water is hot. Serve the pasta, put the pasta on a plate. Add sauce, cheese, or vegetables. Now you can eat it. Example sentences for students. I boil the water. I put pasta in the pot. I cook the pasta for 10 minutes. I eat pasta with tomato sauce.